Welcome to this tech video. Today we're going to show you how to make labels with a hole in. It may sound very simple, but it can be tricky to get done in an efficient way. So we have a machine set up with a laser die cutter to cut the actual hole, and then we have a special module here where you will remove the hole from the web. We're going to run this in two steps. First step is the removal of the hole. Second step is a kiss cutting of the label. The final product is a label as you see here. This label can be used for fine wines, but it's also the same kind of label used for pills or even other pharmaceutical products where you need to look through the label. When we're running it here, it will be a two-step process. First, cutting the actual hole and then doing the kiss cutting. If you have a machine with two die cutters, then this process can run in one go. So now we will power up the machine and give you a few zoom up videos of the actual process. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. If you want to see more, look at www.gm.dk and remember to press the like button. Thank you.